Welcome to the e-learning session, Class 1. Hello children, my name is Nisha Iyer. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, Computer, its uses. The topics that we are going to cover in this chapter are Introduction, Uses of Computer, and we are going to understand how computer can help us in doing our work. Children, you all must have heard fairy tales, in which you know that a fairy has a magic wand in her hand. Now what does that wand do? It helps us to do many things. Similarly, in the present world, computer acts as a magic wand and helps us to do many things. So here I am going to tell you how wonderful computers are. Uses of computer. Drawing and coloring. Computer can help you to draw and paint. You can draw and edit pictures. Edit pictures means I can change the shape of the picture, I can change the colors. Pictures can be easily drawn with the help of mouse. The next thing that we are going to see is solving sums. They help us to solve sums. You can solve sums very quickly and accurately. It helps us to do complex calculations. Complex means you give any kind of calculations to the computer, it can solve it quickly and accurately. It can do millions of calculations in fraction of second. Playing games. We can play games on computer. You can play lot of games on computer like boxing, cricket, car racing and many others. Watching movies and cartoons. Computer can show you movies and cartoons. You can watch movies like Spider-Man and Donald Duck. Playing music. Computer can help play music for you. You can listen to songs and rhymes with the help of speakers attached to the computer. Typing. You can type words, sentences and numbers with the help of keyboard. You can type your name, address and phone number and many other things. You can do many other things on computer using keyboard. Now the most important use of computer is how to use the internet. You can search for any information on internet. You can search information on any topic. You can do many things using internet like playing games online, doing online classes, online shopping and many more. Now with the help of internet, you can chat with your family and friends and you can also exchange messages. And the most important part of computer is saving. So whatever work you are doing on computer, you can save your work. So it helps you to store your work for future. So once the work is stored, it will never be lost. You can review your work anytime later. So here is self-assessment for you. Identify the pictures of machines, the work of which can also be done by a computer. And application-based question. Apart from the uses explained, mention some more uses of computer. For example, in the field of hospital, school, home, etc. Arav wants to play cricket, but due to lockdown, he is not allowed to go to the playground and play with his friends. Can Arav still play cricket? If yes, how? Thank you.